Welcome back to the Luxury Boston Homes with Charlie YouTube channel. Today we are looking at a $4.4 million condo in downtown Boston at the recently completed Winthrop Center residences. This is a video tour of a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,900 square foot luxury home in Boston, Massachusetts. I am going to take you through this high-end unit discussing features, finishes, appliances, and services. Then we will tour the amenity spaces which are included with the home. Winthrop Center arguably has some of the best amenities out of any building here in Boston, with over 56,000 square feet of amenity space, so make sure you stay tuned to see the future of amenity-rich city living. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me anytime if you'd like to come see this home in person, or would like to learn more about Boston real estate in general. My contact info is here on screen and in the description below. This home has a kitchen that makes a statement with Italian marble countertop, backsplash, and island, along with climate-friendly appliances, including the Wolf induction cooktop and Sub-Zero refrigerator. This kitchen is where a low-carbon lifestyle meets stunning craftsmanship. You have a built-in oven and microwave by Wolf Appliances and a cooler by Sub-Zero. The kitchen also has plenty of storage with Studio Becker cabinets featuring soft close technology and LED lighting. As mentioned, this is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath home, spanning across 1,910 square feet on floor 50 at Winthrop Center. Wide plank white oak wood floors sourced from France and floor-to-ceiling windows draw your eyes to gorgeous views of Boston Common and the Charles River. Unfortunately, this video was taken on a rainy day, so views seen are slightly compromised. On a clear day, views from this residence include downtown Boston, Cambridge, the Charles River, Boston Common, Beacon Hill, and the Back Bay. This home is priced at $4,425,000 with an HOA fee of $2,900 monthly. As you can tell, this unit is staged and can be sold with furnishings included. Ceiling heights reach up to 9.5 feet with windows that are operable and floor-to-ceiling with a very unique, slightly curved design to maximize sunlight as well as views to the home. This unit features a flex space as well, which you'll see towards the end of the tour. This is an area which can be used as additional storage or even a home office. There are dozens of ways in which this particular unit could be arranged to maximize space and functionality. The primary suite offers the same views in natural light with a space that can easily fit a queen or king-sized bed, as well as a desk or dresser. One of the key features of this home is the ample amount of closet and storage space. The closets are custom made by Studio Becker cabinetry and have LED backlights. Winthrop Center was built in 2023 with 317 total homes and Class A office space on the lower levels. The 317 residences at 240 Devonshire Street comprise 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom units. These range from 770 to a generous 4,700 square feet. Prices range from about $1.4 to $14 million. This is the second tallest residential building in the city of Boston, standing at 691 feet. Millennium Partners, in conjunction with Handel Architects, designed and developed this project, which has been in the works for over a decade. Millennium Partners and Handel Architects are well known for their work on other luxury Boston condo buildings, including the Ritz-Carlton in 2001, One Charles in 2004, Millennium Place in 2013, and Millennium Tower in 2016. Their products are highly sought after by discerning individuals looking for the best in luxury city living. Many buyers who have previously bought products in older developments have traded up over the years, which is a testament to the quality of the homes. Winthrop Center is special in that it is one of the most eco-friendly condo buildings in the US, which aids in keeping HOA fees remarkably low. The cost to build Winthrop Center was a staggering $1.3 billion and features over 1.9 million square feet of office and residential space. The primary bath is exquisite, featuring Italian marble floors, accent tile, and dual vanities. The Waterworks tub was designed exclusively for the residences at Winthrop Center and is the ultimate luxury for de-stressing at the end of a long day. The Waterworks fixtures and Studio Becker cabinetry create a room that's both pampering and functional. Now, enjoy the rest of the home tour, and I will check back in once we get to the amenity portion of the video. Residents of Winthrop Center have access to the most complete amenity package in Boston with over 56,000 square feet of amenity space. There is an expertly trained hospitality staff on site 24/7, including concierge, security, valet, and maintenance. Owners have access to an exclusive app called Connex IQ, which enables them to manage services, make requests, and reserve amenity space, tying everything together for easy access and use. Starting with a private club skimming the skyline, this space is for residents only, where they can enjoy drinks on the terrace, dine with a private chef and bartender, play pool or poker in the game room, or meet and connect in one of the various conference rooms. Areas within the space can be privately booked via the resident app for events. There is a large outdoor space as well, with tables and great views of the city and beyond. There is also a fully equipped bar as well as a coffee and hot beverage station. The bar is staffed every day from 5 to 11 p.m. The Game Room Lounge is great for watching sporting events or playing pool, poker, cards, or shuffleboard. The movie theater is another great amenity for watching sporting events, movies, or really any video media with surround sound and movie theater chairs. One of the ways Winthrop Center stands out is the numerous health and wellness spaces with over 3 gym areas. The first being the private, resident-only fitness space, which enables owners to stay healthy and active. There is a 7,000 square foot gym and a team of expert trainers and coaches. Wrapped into this program is a complete menu of services that you'd find at a high-end gym. This includes personal training, group classes, wellness and recovery services, physical therapy, and nutrition programs. There is also a spa, Pilates studio, and a mixed martial arts training room. The fitness and wellness services at Winthrop Center are simply unrivaled. There is also a 75-foot lap pool with the city as a backdrop. This area is right off of the gym spaces and features a hot tub. Moving on to the shared amenities, which can be used by both residents and employees at the Winthrop Center offices. Starting off is the gym, featuring a climbing wall, weight, and cardio equipment. There are towels and lockers available, so residents can leave their gym necessities if they'd like. There is also a sports simulator room, which can be reserved by residents and their guests. In the same area is a ping pong and billiards table. Another cool space, shared with office workers and residents, is the cafe and networking lounge. On the ground floor with the office spaces is the Connector, which is a great place to network or relax. The Connector is part living room and part performance space, which is vibrant and lively. Residents at Winthrop Center can come down for lunch and catch a performance, TED Talk, ballet performance, art exhibit, fashion show, or other exclusive events featuring the best arts and culture Boston has to offer. Residents with pets will enjoy the VIP program. Within the building, there's a pet sanctuary, grooming, and training area. A dedicated staff will take pets on walks, train, and wash them. Also available is an off-site boarding program when overnight care is needed. The VIP team will safely transport residents' pets to an elite pet care facility in New Hampshire. Residents at Winthrop Center can be involved with the community through the La Vie program. This is a unique, immersive, and exclusive social calendar that connects residents with specially curated Boston experiences inspired by different interests. There are weekly fireside chats, which are gatherings featuring prominent leaders, performers, and other notable people hosted in the resident lounge. There are also mix and mingle events, workshops, and movie nights that create a community-like feeling for owners. Lastly, a not so flashy yet very important detail is how quick and efficient the valet service is. Residents pull into the garage and park in one of the bays in front of the valet office and head into the elevator directly to their homes. When a vehicle is requested, the valet will back it into one of the spaces directly outside the valet office for quick departure. This system is unique in that residents are protected from the outdoor elements when entering or exiting their vehicle, as the drop-off is underground. This service is 24/7 and extremely quick, not to mention friendly. The concierge, doorman, security, and really all the staff members at Winthrop Center are all very nice and welcoming. Residents also have the ability to borrow a Tesla for a day, which can be requested via the app. Overall, this is one of my favorite condo buildings in Boston. Units are efficient and functional, yet still luxurious, with amenity spaces that are unrivaled. Again, if you'd like to come tour this building in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.